Welcome back to Bike Review Hub. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting urban adventure scooters of the year, the 2025 Honda ADV 350. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring light off-road trails, this machine blends rugged capability with commuter practicality. Let's break down what makes the new ADV 350 a standout in the mid-size scooter market. Design and styling. The 2025 Honda ADV 350 carries forward the aggressive, adventure-inspired look we've come to expect. Its bold front end, muscular body lines, and tall windscreen give it a mini XADV vibe. The dual LED headlights, updated for 2025 with sleeker detailing, add to its modern aesthetic. Honda offers new color schemes this year, including a stealthy matte black and a vibrant red that really pops. The ADV 350 isn't just about looks, it's built to handle a little more than your average commute. Engine and performance. Under the seat, the ADV 350 features a 330 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, producing around 29 horsepower and 31.5 newton meters of torque. That might not sound like much to sport bike fans, but in the scooter world, it's a solid performer. This engine is tuned for a mix of smooth city riding and spirited weekend adventures. With Honda's ESP Plus, Enhanced Smart Power Plus, tech, you get improved fuel efficiency and low-end torque, making acceleration feel punchy and responsive. It's mated to a CVT, so there's no shifting, just twist the throttle and go. And for 2025, Honda has refined the CVT tuning for even smoother response at low speeds. Chassis, suspension, and braking. The ADV 350's chassis strikes a balance between agility and ruggedness. It uses a steel underbone frame with a long travel suspension setup, $37 million forks up front and twin shock absorbers at the rear. Honda claims 125 millimeters of front wheel travel, which is more than most scooters, allowing for better absorption over potholes, speed bumps, and even gravel trails. Braking is handled by a 256 millimeters front disc and 240 millimeters rear disc, both with dual-channel ABS. The bite is strong, and the system inspires confidence in both dry and wet conditions. Tech and features. The 2025 ADV 350 is packed with practical tech. A fully digital LCD instrument cluster gives you all the info you need: speed, fuel, trip data, and even tire pressure if you opt for the Honda smartphone voice control system. You get keyless ignition, a USB Type-C charging port, Honda selectable torque control, aka traction control, and generous under-seat storage, enough for a full-face helmet and more. The windscreen is adjustable by hand and provides decent wind protection for highway riding, which is a real plus for longer commutes. Ride experience. Out on the road, the ADV 350 feels planted and composed. Its riding position is upright and comfortable with wide handlebars that offer excellent control. The seat is plush and spacious enough for both rider and passenger comfort. Thanks to its 14-inch front and 13-inch rear wheels wrapped in dual-purpose tires, it handles uneven roads surprisingly well. Light gravel or packed dirt is no problem, making it ideal for adventurous city riders who like to explore on the weekends. Fuel efficiency and practicality. Fuel economy is one of the ADV 350's strong suits. You can expect around 30 to 33 km/L depending on how hard you ride. With an 11.7-liter fuel tank that translates to a range of over 300 kilometers on a single tank, great for daily commuters. The scooter also comes with a center stand and side stand, making parking on uneven surfaces easier. Price and competition. In 2025, the Honda ADV 350 is priced competitively at around €6,500 in Europe and expected to be around £6,000 in the UK. In markets like Asia, it may be more affordable. It competes directly with the Yamaha XMAX 300, Kymco DTX 360, and even Honda's own Forza 350. However, the ADV 350 stands out with its rugged styling, light adventure potential, and everyday practicality. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda ADV 350 is the kind of scooter that adapts to your lifestyle. Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend explorer, or just someone who appreciates smart design and practical performance, the ADV 350 checks all the right boxes. It's stylish, reliable, tech-savvy, and just rugged enough to handle more than the usual city routine. Honda has nailed the balance between adventure and urban practicality. If you're considering a mid-size scooter this year, the ADV 350 absolutely deserves a spot on your shortlist. That's it for today's review from Bike Review Hub. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a ride. Got questions about the ADV 350? Drop them in the comments, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, ride safe and keep exploring.